express (25) n square minus 30 nv plus 9v square as a perfect square. Solution. Now we have 25 n square minus 30 nv plus 9v square as a perfect square. Now 25 is a perfect square, so we can write that as 25 as 5 times 5, which will give us 5 raised to the power of 2. So this is equals to 5 square n square. Then what do we have here? This can be written as what? What do we have? This can be written as bringing out 5. We can have, or bringing out 2 first. Let's bring out 2. 2 into what? 30 divided by 2. Because our middle term must contain 2. So 30 divided by 2, what do we have? 15 nv. Then we have this. This is 9. 9 is same thing as 3 times 3. And that's 3 raised to the power of 2. Now, they have the same power, so we can combine them. This can be written as 5n raised to power 2. Then we have minus 2 into what? Minus 2 into 15 nv plus, what do we have here? This can be written as what? We have this to be 3v raised to the power of 2 because they have the same power. We can combine them. Now, we have 5n and we are having 3v. So, this 5n and 3v must also reflect at the middle term. So, we'll look for a way to manipulate that. 5n squared minus 2 into 15 can be written as what? 3 times 5. You can write that as 3 times 5. Then we have mv plus 3v squared. So in this case, we can now write as 5n squared minus what? What do we have? Since we have mv and we must have something like 5n and 3v at the middle term. So we can combine this. We have 2 into bracket 3n. Also, we combine 5 and v. 5v. Then we have 3v squared. Now, you must recall that when you have a squared minus 2 into a into b plus b squared, this will give you a minus b squared. Now, from here, you observe that a is equal to 5n. And this your b is the same thing as what? 3v. Now, writing it in this form now, we now have what? You see, a minus b squared. A is what? 5n. Minus what is b? 3v. Then we have it as square. Can you see that? So in this case, we now have 25n squared minus 30nv plus 9v squared to be what? 5n minus 3v raised to the power of 2. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.